in case I don't survive, this is my rocky face nature hike vlog moment. Here's the kids and Billy and myself still alive. Billy wanted to go on this trail. I told him it wasn't a good idea. Do you see the rocks? Do you see the uphill? Do you see why he's carrying out Alea? I'm really tired. It's really hot. I don't even think we're halfway done. Okay, let's see if we make it. You find a hole for an animal? You think?
Yeah, under there.
Think so?
Yeah.
Think an animal could fit in there?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
I really think so.
Okay. Yeah. See, there's a bee.
Oh yeah.
Doing his thing. Pollinating and such.
That's pretty cool, guys.
That is cool. All these pretty flowers.
Look at that pretty flowers, guys.
Caution, trail slippery when wet. And they're way down here. I guess the good thing the trail is not wet. I don't think. But, wow. Look. How pretty. So pretty. And kind of frightening with little kids. On top of the rock. I'm coming.
That view out that way.
I know. Wow. Really pretty. Okay. Okay, so story time. This did not always used to be a park. About 7 years ago, when me and Billy first got married, we came up here on a very cheap little date, and it was not a sanctioned park yet, so that fence that y'all just saw kind of going around this rock was not there. And we actually were hanging out on like the edge of this rock, having us a snack, and looking at everything. Probably very dangerous now that you think about it, because there's a fence.
And before I met this beautiful lady, me and a dear friend of mine named Adrian Foster, we used to be on the fire department and rescue squad together. We would come up here and tie in and actually rappel off this mountain.
Hey, Dad.
Aren't they having like a rappelling competition or climbing competition here today?
They did earlier today, I think.
They did earlier. Really cool place now. They fixed it up, made it nice, and we like it. Okay, kind of another little look-off area here. Sorry, I'm not the most graceful walking person coming down this rock here. Okay, so you can see down there, kind of like the little wetlands, and over there's the little recreation area. And if you look really far over there into the parking lot, I see our van. This is a bit more than what I was expecting, but I guess if you're going to go out and experience nature, you better go out and really experience it. It's so pretty. So what'd you say you were sitting here thinking about?
So I was sitting here thinking about that, how God made all this pretty mountain, and it's just so
Oh no, there went the acorn. Ty.
and I'm just really thinking about that,
Just really thinking about that.
and He made it so pretty.
He did. Didn't he do just a beautiful, wonderful job?
get out. Now I couldn't get out. Bye.
Are they steep?
Now I go hold all these.
Yeah, you're gonna hold my hand and this.
There we go. We're almost there.
Almost
See
there.
all taps.
Just gotta go down the steps.
Yeah.
Oop! That one was a little big.
They ready are down there? They
Yeah,
ready?
Daddy's already down there.
But we not down there. But we not down there.
No, we're not down there yet. Almost. And this is the view from the bottom.
Voila.
Very pretty.
Voila.
Cool car. See, all this down here did not used to be a parking lot. It actually used to be really trashy back in the day. They've made it nice, turned it into trails and playgrounds and all that. And yeah, they really made it awesome. It used to be like a rock quarry or something.
Yeah.